Today, I'm going to show you how to get the Ludo King mod menu for free, fully updated and working on both iOS and Android. If you're looking for unlimited diamonds, unlimited coins, and all premium hacks unlocked, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. As you can see on the screen, this mod menu includes features like unlimited 6, unlimited diamonds and coins, all themes unlocked, and a lot more. It works smoothly on any device, and the setup is extremely simple. Before we start, make sure your Ludo King app is updated to the latest version. Just open your App Store or Google Play Store and check if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to continue. Next, head down to the pinned comment below this video. I've placed the exact link and instructions there so you can download Ludo King safely and easily. Follow the steps, enjoy all the unlocked features, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more guides, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!